Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 19 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3. Name of the chapter is Plant Life, Parts of the Plant. Okay, so name of the chapter is Plant Life, Parts of the plants. Now see student, let's do little recapitulation what we done in our previous video. So in the previous video I explained you student the importance of plant in our life. We get our living gas, that is oxygen from the oxygen from the plant, and plants are the only producers. So we are totally depend on plants for our food also. Is it clear? Next, after that I explain you that different parts of the plant have two system. The part of the plant which is above the ground, that is shoot system, and the part of the plant, or you can say root, which is in the soil, that is known as root system. After that I explain you when a seed germinate, the first part which come out from the seed is the root. It is not the shoot part, it is the root part which come out of the seed. Then after student we discuss different types of a root, that is tap root, so and fibrous root. So what is a tap root? Tap root is the main root of the plant that goes very deep. Is it clear? The tap root is the main root of the plant that goes very deep, and from these main root many branch roots comes out. Is it clear? Tap root क्या है? Main root होती है. Is it clear? And it go very deep, and from these main root the branches of roots come out. For example, tap roots are found in trees like neem and banyan tree. Okay, not banyan tree, it is found into a tap root is found into neem and peepal tree. Banyan tree में तो root that also goes very deep, but in that plant there are aerial roots also which hang into the air, not in the soil. Okay, then the next thing which I explained you, that is the fibrous roots. First is the tap root, then fibrous root, okay. So in this what happen, the from the base of the stem many roots of equal size move in all the direction. Is it clear? In the fibrous root, from the base of the stem many roots of the same size spread in all the direction. So these types of a roots are found in wheat and rice. After that I discuss special roots. Why we say this as a special roots? Because these root store food. Is it clear? Why we say it as a special root? Some plants has special root, for example turnip, radish, carrot. So why we say? Because these types of roots they store food in them. Okay, so what we say, these types of root are, we say, tuberous root. This is known as tuberous root. So this is known as a tuberous root. Now student, some trees such as banyan tree, सो हिंदी में से क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, बरगद का पेड़. सो व्हाट इज द स्पेशलिटी अबाउट द रूट्स ऑफ दिस ट्री, दैट फ्रॉम द ब्रांचेस द रूट मूव्स डाउनवर्ड. Is it clear? From the branches of this tree, the root moves or the root grow downwards from the branches towards the ground. ठीक है, ब्रांचेस से जो रूट्स है डाउनवर्ड की तरफ, ग्राउंड की तरफ मूव करती हैं, ग्रो करती हैं. एंड दिस इज नोन एज एरियल रूट. दिस टाइप ऑफ रूट इज नोन एज एरियल. This type of a root is known as aerial root. These roots hang in the air and are not covered by a soil. ये roots क्या है, एयर में हैंग हैं, ठीक है, लटकी हुई होती हैं ब्रांचेस से, and they are not in the soil. So this happen in a tree that is known as banyan tree. In this you will see from the branches the many roots moves downward towards the ground. That is the reason we say it as a aerial roots, and they are hanging in the air, they are not in the soil. These roots hang in the air and they are not in the soil. So such type of a root is known as aerial root. Such type of a root is known as aerial root. Now after that, the most important thing which we will discuss, that what are the functions of root. Functions of roots. Okay, so let take the first point. Root fix the plant. Root fix the plant. Firmly fix the plant. So root, first one, the root fix the plant firmly to the ground. So what does it mean? It means that जो रूट्स होती हैं, जो प्लांट्स को बहुत मजबूती से, फर्मली मीन्स बहुत ही मजबूती से उसे ग्राउंड में क्या रखते हैं, अटैच रहते हैं. दैट इज द रीजन इट सपोर्ट द प्लांट. ठीक है, ये प्लांट को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं बाकी पार्ट्स को, क्योंकि वी नो दैट रूट्स आर इन द सॉइल, और दिस द रूट्स आर इन द सॉइल एंड दे होल्ड द प्लांट फर्मली. मीन्स बहुत मजबूती से उन्होंने प्लांट्स को होल्ड किया है. एंड द रूट स्प्रेड इन द सॉइल. रूट कहाँ स्प्रेड करती है? एंड होल्ड द प्लांट फर्मली टू द ग्राउंड. इज इट क्लियर? सो it means that one of the function of the root is that due to the root it support the plant. Due to the root the plant can stand vertically. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा मैथ्स में, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन होती है, जो स्ट्रेट लाइन इसको वर्टिकल लाइन बोलते हैं. सो ड्यू टू द रूट्स द प्लांट स्टैंड वर्टिकली, ठीक है, टू द ग्राउंड. So it support the plant, it support the plant, it support the plant so that it can stand in a vertical position in the ground. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है रूट अब्सॉर्ब वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. सेकेंड पॉइंट, रूट्स absorb water and minerals. Is it clear? Okay, now root absorb water and minerals. See, roots are the, this is the part of the plant which is in the soil. So from the soil, it is the function of the root that is absorb water and minerals for the plant, and after that it passes it to the stem. ठीक है, it absorb water and mineral from the soil and pass this water and mineral to the stem and leaves of the plant. This is a function of a root. ठीक है, this is the function of a root. क्योंकि वाटर और मिनरल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं बेटा सॉइल में. ठीक है, वेयर आर द मिनरल्स प्रेजेंट? मिनरल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल. सो दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ ए प्लांट दैट इट ऑब्जॉर्ब वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल, एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट डज द रूट डू? इट पास दिस वाटर एंड मिनरल्स टू द स्टेम एंड अदर एंड लीव्स ऑफ द प्लांट. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट है रूट बाइंड द सॉइल. So what does it means? Third point is roots bind the soil. So the roots of the plant, they hold the soil. जो प्लांट्स की रूट्स होती हैं बेटा वो सॉइल को होल्ड करके रखती हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू सी इन द एरिया वेयर number of plants are less, then what happen? Due to the strong winds, the upper soil is washed away due to the strong winds also, and due to at the time of a floods also. Okay, at the time of flood and rain also, the upper layer of the soil is washed away. So and due to this, what is the condition arises? Washing away of the soil is known as soil erosion. That is known as soil erosion. Washing away of a soil, washing away of the soil due to the strong winds or due to floods, rainwater, that is known as soil erosion. Is it clear? So the roots of the plant bind the soil, means it hold the soil very tightly. It hold the soil very tightly so that it is not washed away by a strong winds and the flood water. And if there are less plants, you have already seen that if less plant in any area, then what's happen? In that area soil is washed away due to strong winds also and due to flood water or rain water also. And when these types of a condition arises, this type of a condition is known as soil erosion. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द थर्ड पॉइंट. आफ्टर दैट रूट फोर्थ पॉइंट इज रूट स्टोर फूड. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज रूट्स स्टोर फूड. So I have already discussed this thing when I explained you about the special roots. When I am explaining you about the special roots, why we say it as a special root? Because these root store food. Okay, so this is also a one of the function of the root, that root store food. Is it clear? And this type of a root is known as a tuberous root. This type of a root is known as tuberous root, and examples are turnip, carrot and radish. These are the example. So let's do little recapitulation. What are the functions of a root? First is root fix the plant firmly to the ground. It means that the roots of the plant attach the plant to the ground. Is it clear? It means the root of the plant attach the plant to the ground. It means that they give support to the plant to stand in a vertical position. They give support to the plant and holding the plant firmly in the ground. ठीक है, वो प्लांट को सपोर्ट करते हैं एंड दैट इज द रीजन द बहुत फर्मली मीन्स बहुत मजबूती से. ठीक है, दे होल्ड द सॉइल. सेकेंड पॉइंट था रूट ऑब्जॉर्व वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल. यस, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ द root is that as we know that minerals are present in the soil. minerals कहाँ present होते हैं बेटा? soil में present होते हैं. okay, so roots of the this is a function of the root that they absorb water and mineral from the soil, and after that these minerals water and minerals pass to the stem and leaves of the plant. Then third, roots bind the soil. What does it mean, root bind the soil? It means the roots of the plants hold the soil also, because in the areas where there is no plants, so due to strong winds and due to floods and rainwater, the upper layer of the soil is washed away, and this condition is known as soil erosion. So these plants root hold the soil. Bind the soil means they hold the soil very tightly so that the soil is not washed away by the wind or by the rainwater or floods. Is it clear? So, and the next point is the root store food. So this type of roots are known as special roots because they store food in the roots, and these types of roots are known as tuberous roots. And example of this is radish, turnip, carrot, etc. So the function of root I have already discussed. Now next is the stem. Now see what is stem. So stem is what, students? Stem is the part of the plant which grow above the ground. Is it clear? Stem is the part of the plant which grow above the ground, or you can also say that the part of plant that rises vertically. जो अभी मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, in mathematic language this is known as horizontal, and this position is known as vertical. Okay, so the upper part of the plant which you are able to see, that is known as stem. Okay, the upper part of the plant. So the stem is the part of the plant that grows above the ground and it support other parts of the plant. ठीक है, and it supports upper part of the plant. What does it mean? It means that stem is the part of the plant which is above the ground. And what its role? it support it support it support upper part. It support upper parts of the plant. It supports upper part of the plant. So what is a stem? Stem is the stem is the part of the plant which is above the ground. It support upper part of the plant. It support upper part of the plant. So what does it mean? Okay, so what does it means? It means it support it means it supports it means it supports what are the parts of the plant in the stem? That is, it supports the branches, because branches कहाँ होती हैं? स्टेम में ही होती हैं. It supports the branches, leaves, flower, fruit, birds. Okay, so these are the parts of the plants which are attached to the stem. ये स्टेम के वो पार्ट हैं बेटा जो स्टेम से अटैच हैं. ब्रांचेस होती हैं, लीव्स होते हैं, फ्लावर है, फ्रूट है, बर्ड्स है. सो दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स which are attached to the stem. These are the part of the plant which are attached to the stem. So let's do little recapitulation. Stem is that part of the plant which is above the ground and it supports the upper part. Upper part में ये आएंगे. Below part में जो underground के below part है that is the root है. ठीक है, तो root stem में नहीं है. Is it clear? Root is the other system of the plant. So for example, this is a stem. For example, this is a stem. तो स्टेम में ब्रांचेस भी आ गई आपकी, स्टेम में लीव्स भी आ गए, फ्लावर भी आ गया, बर्ड्स भी आ गए, बर्ड्स हो गया, लीव्स हो गया, and this is fruit. So these all parts are connected with the stem. ये सारे के सारे parts आपके बेटा किसमें? stem में. That is the reason stem support upper part of the plant, that is branches, leaf, flower, fruit, birds. I hope now this is clear. With the help of a diagram, I hope now this is very clear to all of you. Okay, now the next thing is that, okay, now when we do the classification of a plant, जब हमने classification मतलब plants को due to shape और size के according different categories में उसे divide किया था. ठीक है, herbs थे, shrubs थे, creeper, climbers and tree. So in the case of a herbs, in the case of a shrubs, creeper and climbers, all the time we use the word stem. हमने क्या वर्ड यूज किया था? स्टेम. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ट्री, सो ट्री आर वेरी टॉल. ट्रीज आर वेरी टॉल. दे हैव ए थिक स्टेम. बहुत चौड़े वुडी स्टेम होती हैं. तो अब इसको हम लोग स्टेम नहीं बोल के अब इससे हम क्या बोलेंगे? ट्रंक. इज इट क्लियर? In other plants like herbs, shrubs, climber, creepers, we use the word stem. but the stem of the trees are very tall. They have a very thick and woody. That is the reason in place of stem we will say trunk. Is it clear? So in big tree we say as trunk. Is it clear? Now the stem of a big tree, the stem of the big tree is called it a trunk. The stem of big tree is called it a trunk. Is it clear? Now see student, now can anyone can tell me name of the plant which has a thick stem, जिसकी stem भी thick होती है but it is very soft? Yes, okay, your answer is right. The name of the plant is banana plant. ठीक है? So they also having a thick stem, but it is very soft. Some stems are thick like a big tree. They are also having a thick stem, but that is very soft. So it is in which tree? So your answer is right, banana tree. Okay. Now student, after that in your book it is given about one plant. What are climbers? The explanation of herb, shrubs, climbers, creeper, tree. I have explained you all the 5 classification, but in your book it is given only about what are climbers. So what are these? These are the plants with a very weak stem. देखो weak stem word is used in the case of herbs also, creepers also, and climbers also. They having a very weak stem, so they to grow or to move up they need some support, whether it is a support of a wall, whether it is a support of some other plant, so that are known as climbers. Okay, they are very weak, so to move up they need a support. For example, I have already explained you the example of a money plant. Okay, their stem is very weak and soft, so to move up they need a support. So whether these type of plant take a support of a wall also, or even they take a support of some other plant also. So example of climber plants are grapevine, money plant. So these are the examples. Now after that, next we will discuss what are the functions of the stem. So up to this, let's do little recapitulation, and in the next video I will explain you about what is the function of the stem. So student, today I explained you about different functions of a root. Okay, what are the function of the roots? After that I start explaining you what is the stem, the part of the plant which is above the ground and it supports the upper part. So what are the name of the upper part? That I have already explained you. Branches, leaves, flower, bud, fruits, these are branches. Okay, these are the upper part of the plants. Okay, and after that, in a case of a big tree, when we talk about the big tree, so we will not say this is a thick woody stem of neem or peepal tree. then in place of stem we will say it is a trunk of a neem tree or people tree. Okay, thank you student.